Should high school students have a class sponsored by an energy company that promotes fracking? That's the question the Hazleton Area School Board has to weigh. A gas drilling company that does hydraulic fracturing wants to sponsor a course about future careers in the industry. But as Matthew Petrillo tells us, that had some parents squawking.
There's a lot of concern about the gas industry.
Thursday night's Hazleton School Board meeting drew some worried parents about a new course. The course is supposedly designed by Junior Achievement, but the materials used in the course are funded by fracking giant Cabbot Oil.
My concern is that it is an industry that a lot isn't known about yet.
For instance, oil and gas companies do not have to disclose what chemicals they use to inject into the ground during fracking, and for years they maintained it was safe. But recently, the EPA announced fracking polluted the water supplies for at least 161 Pennsylvania homes and businesses between 2008 and 2012, including some from Cabbot. The concerned parents say the fracking industry is notorious for a lack of transparency, and they say that also carried over in Cabbot's attempt to sponsor the course.
And it looks like a lot of board members don't know the extent of Cabbot's involvement in it.
For one, the meeting's agenda said Cabbot's employees would teach 3 of the 7 units in the course. But Superintendent Francis Antonelli said that information was incorrect. He said volunteers from Junior Achievement would actually be the ones teaching the class.
Not necessarily energy industry, gas industry people.
Well, is the volunteer from Junior Achievement happen to be a gas industry person? Cabbot, Chesapeake Bay. There's several. I mean, they're 2 of the biggest ones we have in the state. So, who is that person? Who is that volunteer?
But the board couldn't answer that or answer what was in the materials Cabbot was paying for.
I don't know if they have an agenda. That's what we're going to find out.
So the board motioned to table it until they get more information. Matthew Petrillo, News 13, Hazleton.